Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So children, we were in the chapter number 9, that is our homes. So in the last class, we have seen the difference between temporary house and permanent house, and particularly children, we have seen the material which are used in temporary house and permanent house. And today children will go for the next topic, that is house with a sloping roof, stilt house and houseboat. So let's start children. Okay. Mountains generally receive heavy rain and snowfall. The houses in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are made with sloping roofs so that rainwater and snow can slide down easily. Do you know children? In hilly areas, most houses have fireplaces to burn logs. It keeps the house warm. So children, till now we have seen three types of houses. One is bungalow, in that Shambhavi was living children in the Assam, and as well as next one was children apartment. Her one cousin called Mala, she was living in Mumbai, and as well as children we have seen the Haveli in the village. Now we'll go for children one more, that is the house with a sloping roof, where we can find children only in the hilly areas and the mountain areas, especially in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. And why the people living in that type of house children? Why? Because the house is made with sloping roof, so the rainwater and snow can slide down easily. And as well as children, in those type of houses there is separate room for the fireplace, where the logs are burned, so that with the help of that the houses will keep the warm children, isn't it? We will get the warm feeling, so that we can easily move away the chilly weather children, the cold weather you can say. Now we'll go for the next one children, the stilt house. So before that children, we'll see here the sloping roof in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. You can find here, yeah, house with a sloping roof in Kashmir. You can see children here. You can find here. It is one type of a sloping roof house in Kashmir. We can find around that children, all this here the snow is falling there, and this type of sloping roof are helping the snow and the rain to slide down easily. So where we can find children? Only in Kashmir. Now we'll see one more type of sloping roof house in Himachal Pradesh. Yeah, you can see children here, house with a sloping roof in Himachal Pradesh. You can find here this one type of the sloping roof house in Himachal Pradesh, and with the help of this sloping roof children, the snow is sliding down easily. So now we'll go for the next one children, that is a stilt house. Stilt houses are made in those areas where floods are very common, that is Meghalaya and Assam. The water drains away easily through the stilt without damaging the house. So after understanding children sloping roof house, now we are moving to one type of house, that is a stilt house, and where we can find children only in the Meghalaya and Assam. So why the people living in the stilt house in there? Why? Because if they live especially in those flood areas children, so that the water can drain down easily from the downside, from the stilt children. And how it will look children, we will see now, particularly from the Meghalaya and Assam. Yeah, firstly we'll go for the stilt house of Meghalaya. You can find here children, this is called the stilt house. If the flood comes children from here, from the downside, it will slowly drain down easily to the another place, isn't it? So it is one type of stilt house children where you can find in Meghalaya. Now we'll go for the stilt house of children Assam in the next image. Yeah, stilt house of Assam children you can find here. Yeah, this is one of the stilt house of the Assam. So from this area children, the drain water can easily move down to the another place. So for that reason children, remember that the people of Assam and Meghalaya, they will live in the stilt house only for what children? To save their home from the flood, isn't it? Now we'll go for the one more type of house children, that is a houseboat. So see children there, all of you, in Kashmir and Kerala, many people live in houseboat which can be moved from one place to another on the lakes. So children, till now we have seen that can our home, children, where we are living, can it move from one place to another place? No. But here children, in the houseboat, they will move from one place to another place within the lake, children, and where we can find only in the Kashmir and Kerala. So now we'll see the houseboat, children, in the next image here. Yeah, so we can find, children, here houseboat of Kashmir, isn't it? We can find, children, here. You can see here clearly. This is the houseboat and it is moving in a lake here. This is water, isn't it, children? Where we can find only in the Kashmir. Now we'll see one more type of houseboat, children, in the Kerala. Shall we go for that now? Yeah, you can see, children, here houseboat of Kerala. It is very famous, children. The tourists will come here to enjoy in this houseboat. Where, children? In Kerala. Where the Kerala comes in the South India, children. You can find here. This is one type of the houseboat of the Kerala, and you can see another also, isn't it? It is one of the famous tourist destination, children, the Kerala, isn't it? When the tourists will come here, they will enjoy the houseboat, children, isn't it? So children, this is about the houseboat of Kerala. So we will stop our class here. I hope you have understood today's class. Again and again you watch this video, children. If you have any doubt, you drop the message. I will be there for you. So in the next class, we'll go for the next topic, that is the caravan, and as well as, children, the flat house in the Rajasthan. So until that, children, take care and bye.